And well, hello there everybody. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing these lights around my little van here. And I picked up these lights from Amazon. I was looking for a whole bunch of them. I picked up initially one that was sort of like a white light, and the problem with that was it didn't have that warm glow effect like the one you see at the very back there, my light cloud. So hopefully this one will be much better. I did test it out and it looked pretty good. And see, it's beautiful. Here's what it looks like. It looks really nice, and I think it'll add some really beautiful ambiance to my van build right now. And granted too that my van is always in a constant state of flux and development. I'm finding that as I'm sort of dwelling in here, I'm changing a bunch of things along the way. USB all the way. Unfortunately, one of the parts that came in, the switch that I had, didn't work, but that's okay. I'm still going to install it today and see where this goes. Hopefully it'll work. Wow, I don't know guys, this looks so cool. Really, and seriously, I love it. Okay, so I got it set up over here, and you see that it's on my little table there. And one of the things I'm going to do is probably not set up the, I guess the part where I'm going to be hooking this up to. I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to tape it down first. I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Tape, okay? And then I'll get a sense of if this thing's actually going to work the way I think it's going to work. You know, less committal, but at the same time, it's going to give me an idea of how it's going to look. And maybe at that point, I can adjust things as well. So, okay guys, so I'm going to start soon. Well, unfortunately, I didn't have any Gorilla Tape. I got this one instead. I think it's probably a competing brand. It's T-Rex, and it's ferociously strong tape. So this should work just fine, right? I mean, the logic goes that a T-Rex is bigger than a gorilla. And if they got into a fight, well, guess who'd win? Well, okay then. Looks like it's working. So I placed the tape up there. And again, this is just to try it out, to see what may be best on how I'm going to put this thing up. But so far, I'm really happy with the first one. But I can already tell you, look at that, it's about to fall. We'll see. Well, thanks a lot, T-Rex. You're not that ferocious after all. Well, okay, so since it was starting to fall off, I decided to add another one. And this time a little longer piece, and it looks like it's actually holding up. So maybe I'm wrong about the T-Rex. And here we go. So I used the T-Rex tape, and you know, I kind of like how it looks. I need to do something about the wires, but overall it's giving me the function that I need. It's enough lights in here, and also maintaining, you know, a bit of coziness. So I think it turned out pretty good, and at some point I need to figure out a way to sort of mount it. I've got a couple of ideas, and I'm going to share that with you in this video, I hope. And check this out, not even 5 minutes into it and already the tape's coming off. And that's understandable, because really I need something much more secure than this, but it gives you an idea, sort of like a good mock-up of how it's going to look. And so far I really like how it looks. And the other one fell too, and look at it like dangle. Okay, they're all falling off, so this one fell again. Okay, that's all right. I could work with this. And look at this. I went to get something to eat, and it all came crashing down. But the ones on the right seem to have stayed okay. I wonder why. But the ones on the left didn't. Maybe it's because it was colder? Who knows? Anyway, I have an idea. So I picked up these things here, and what it's going to do is it's going to hold up those lights probably much more securely than using that. Oops, sorry about that. I was just saying that it'll probably hold it up better than the T-Rex tape. And well, okay then. Looks like it worked. And the screws are short enough that it's definitely not going to go through the roof, which is fantastic. Wow, and here we go. It looks really smooth here. So I got the lights going, very happy with it. And it feels so cozy right now. And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist. And I'm going to pour it right here. I'm going to do this. There we go. That's nice. Sweet. Check it out.